ready to turn your e-commerce dreams into a reality without ever touching inventory. Let's dive into setting up your Shopify store powered by Zendrop. First things first, you'll need a Shopify account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Shopify.com and sign up for their free trial. This is where your entire online empire will be built. Once your Shopify store is set up, navigate to the apps section in your Shopify admin. This is where we'll find our magic ingredient, Zendrop. In the Shopify App Store, search specifically for Zendrop. You'll see it pop up as a leading dropshipping solution. Click on the Zendrop app and then select Add App. This will initiate the installation process, linking Zendrop directly to your Shopify store. After installation, you'll be taken to your Zendrop dashboard. This is your gateway to thousands of products. Start browsing. You can filter by category, trending items, or even by what's specifically in demand. Found a winner? Click on the product you want to sell. Zendrop provides you with product details, and you'll see an Add to Store button. Click that button, and then you'll have the chance to customize here. You can adjust your pricing strategy, setting profitable markups, and fine-tune the product descriptions to make them irresistible to your customers. Once you save your changes in Zendrop, the product is automatically imported into your Shopify store's product catalog. It's that simple. With your products seamlessly integrated, your Shopify store is now ready to start selling. Zendrop handles the sourcing and shipping, so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is officially live and ready to make sales with Zendrop. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.